Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Nehu MCTA impasse over NEP continues in state. Government plans to implement NEP at secondary and higher secondary levels. Government to provide salary of SSA teachers as per capping norms, says Advisor to Education Department H.M. Shangpliang. St. Edmund's College concludes year-long centenary celebrations. And National Sports Day celebrated across India, including Meghalaya. Prime Minister Modi greets all sportspersons. The news in detail. As the impasse over the national education policy continues in the state, the Meghalaya College Teachers Association on Monday said that the association will continue boycotting all the first semester classes in protest against the decision of the Nehu Vice-Chancellor to implement NEP 2020 from this current academic session. MCTA also mentioned that teachers will not be taking up any assignment for the first semester under NEP. Furthermore, the MCTA also questioned the silence of the state government on this issue, stating that this concerns the welfare of the teaching community and the students. Advisor to the Education Department H.M. Shangpliang today said that the government plans to implement national education policy even at the secondary and higher secondary level. While speaking to reporters, Shangpliang said that they have already constituted the Education Commission and there are other committees which are already in the pipeline, like the Textbook Review Committee. According to him, the Textbook Review Committee will review the introduction of new syllabus and curriculum, adding that they are exercising to bring the NCERT books through the EMBOs. Meanwhile, he said that implementation of NEP has already started at the college level. According to him, various colleges have also already taken up the implementation under the new policy. He also said that the government has already made its stand very clear on the NEP.
We have constituted the Education Commission. We also have various other committees that are already in the pipeline now. So though we are in the mind of exercising to bring in NCERT books too, in the present context of the books through the EMBOs, and therefore this textbook committee will also do such exercise. And while you talk about the new education policy, we understand we are taking baby steps now to start implementing the new policy, and therefore the teachers need to be trained. There is a lot of work to be done, and the preparation have already started.
Advisor to the Education Department H.M. Shangpliang today informed that the government is looking to provide the salaries of the SSA teachers as per the capping norms. While addressing the gathering during the conference-cum felicitation program at the Sosotham Auditorium here on Monday, Shangpliang said that the file of the capping norms has already moved from the department. He further said that once the government approves it, then it will be able to release the rupees 52 crore of the capping salary to all the SSA teachers. He said that the second installment of the funds has already been released this month and the process of releasing it to the respective teachers has already started. Meanwhile, Meghalaya SSA Schools Association President Aristotle Rimbai said that they have submitted a memorandum to the government for regularization of their services and also for enhancement of their salaries.
The capping norms which we were supposed to provide to the SSA teachers, that already is in the process of the file has already moved from the department, and we will shortly, once the government releases that, we should be able to release the 52 crores, the capping salary to all the SSA teachers.
So now the government have already constituted the State Education Commission, and we hope, as highlighted today by our Honorable Special Guest M. Shangpliang, and we hope that this issue, that is regularization of SE teachers and also the enhancements of our salary, will be addressed by the State Education Commission at the earliest possible.
Shillong's oldest college, the St. Edmund's College, concluded its year-long centenary celebration here on Tuesday. The closing ceremony of the centenary celebration was graced by Archbishop of Shillong Diocese, Reverend Victor Lingdor. In his address, Reverend Lingdor said 100 years is not a sign of old age, but a beginning of a new journey, as he pointed out that in the past century, the college has remained strong and will continue to render its services to society. On the occasion, the Archbishop also released the cover of the Edmundian Centenary Special Zone and the Centenary Edition magazines of the Economics and Physics Department. St. Edmund's College had kicked off its centenary celebration on November 5th last year. The oldest college in the state was established in 1923.
From a deep personal relationship to God, the college must have gone through the various challenges in the past 100 years. But today it remains strong. 100 years is not a sign of old age, but rather it is an indication of maturity, experience, efficiency, and growth. On behalf of Shillong Archdiocese, I wish to express my sincere gratitude to the Blessed Edmund Rice, the founder of the CFC congregation, and to all the members of the Congregation of Christian Brothers.
The Central Agricultural University Imphal, in collaboration with NAHEP ICAR New Delhi, is organizing a 2-week training program on natural farming, present status and future prospects at College of Agriculture, Kirdamkulai in Meghalaya from August 28 till September 10. 35 faculty at the rank of assistant professor and above from Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology, Bhubaneswar, Bidhan Chandra Krishi Vishwa Vidyalaya, West Bengal, Assam Agricultural University, Jorhat, and faculty from the constituent colleges of Central Agricultural University Imphal are participating in a training program. More than 30 resource persons across the country of international repute will be delivering lectures and tutorials during the program. The inaugural program was chaired by Dr. Anupam Mishra, the Vice Chancellor of Central Agricultural University Imphal. During the program, a handbook on natural farming, principles and practices, Volume 1, was also released by the dignitaries. Concerned over the rapid spread of the conjunctivitis disease among the residents of Meghalaya, especially in Ribhoi district, on Monday, leaders of the Sinjuk Ki Rangbashnong met the Deputy Commissioner of the district, Arpit Upadhyaya, seeking his immediate intervention with the Health and Family Welfare Department to come up with practical and medically driven solutions to curb the disease. Led by the chairman B.B. Makdo, the headman union expressed shock after learning of the measures taken by the state government, wherein instead of suggesting medical interventions, it is advising people to wear goggles or sunshades to prevent spread of the contagious disease.
Lawan itu man DC alor artli gemat kaman kong golong gajing day bat kene ka jing spread jong kene ka jing pangkamat conjunctivitis aborok koi ka Ribhoi district jongi teke ke bang sosi dan yetu ya padba bro mana kaliang jong ka government ka clemson khai gajing day kene jing pang kamsin interest ni ba ka sarlot kene jing pang na du knaskol adu kiblahe ka bar susu golong ba kumaong menteri menen ha president ngi ba dan kamban dengya ki sunglasses then rain nang nong inyo gitu sunglasses kan jing kerpat ke jungi government balada kamla wan supply ki dawai de sup pendiang tang ki sunglasses.
Today is National Sports Day. The day is celebrated on 29th of August every year to commemorate the birth anniversary of legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has extended his greeting to all the sports person on the occasion. Mr. Modi also paid homage to Major Dhyan Chand. On the occasion, Union Minister for Youth Affairs and Sports Anurag Singh Thakur also paid tribute to Major Dhyan Chand and will launch key initiatives on Indian sports at a function in New Delhi. In Meghalaya, a run was organized by the 67th Battalion Battalion of the Central Reserve Police Force, wherein men and women personnel of CRPF took active part in the run. National Sports Day or Rashtra Khel Diwas was included in the list of celebratory days for the first time in 2012. The weather report. The maximum temperature was 25.4 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 15.7 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 74%, while in the evening was 77%. The forecast, light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at few places. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Nehu MCTA impasse over NEP continues in state. Government plans to implement NEP at secondary and higher secondary levels. Government to provide salary of SSA teachers as per capping norms, says Advisor to Education Department HM Shangpliang. St. Edmund's College concludes year-long centenary celebrations. And National Sports Day celebrated across India, including Meghalaya. Prime Minister Modi greets all sportspersons. And that's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel, it's good night.